We'll guide you through how to review Streamlabs effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of tabs on the left side. Click on the Analytics tab, which provides comprehensive data on your stream performance. This section is crucial as it displays your viewer count, average watch time, and other essential metrics. To dive deeper, look at the Stream Health section. This shows you detailed information about your stream's bitrate, dropped frames, and any connectivity issues that might have occurred. It's important to keep an eye on these stats to ensure smooth streaming sessions. You can also use the event list to review all the recent alerts and interactions during your streams like donations, follows, and subscriptions. This helps you understand which events are engaging your audience the most. If you want to get feedback from your viewers, consider enabling the viewer feedback feature under Settings. This allows your audience to send you direct feedback while you're live. Lastly, don't forget to check out the Revenue tab to track your earnings from different sources like donations, subscriptions, and merchandise sales. Reviewing these areas regularly can help you make informed decisions to improve your stream quality and engagement. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.